Pronunciation of difficult words, Part 2. Paddlers, grows, awestruck, occupying, worries, terrestrial, sorrows, maniac, post war, degrade, articulate, classes, violently, enterprises, negotiations, powerless, communicative, regarded, hesitate, unformed, obedience, spines, worshipped, automobiles, mourning, relevance, burdens, mourned, materially, praised, asserted, requirements, smoothed, elements, effectiveness, services, preached, crucifixion, intimately, Buddhist, tolerance, appetites, posting, lacked, docility, institutions, fascist, counted, attained, fervent, heroes, tensions, assassination, distrust, gathered, temples, precious, practices, comprehension, monsoon, ward, victims, withers, intimacy, wholeheartedly, Bolshevik, blundering, homes, associates, flouting, eyesight, pearl, multitudes, stiffened, galloping, lifelong, attributes, nameless, conveyance, yelled, faults, alluded, prescription, infusion, violence, penetrates, numb, joked, achieved, impending, liberating, dwindling, crowds, sandals, coping, enjoyed, tributes, ascribed, belongs, elbow, miracles, uneducated, misdeeds, inscription, reproof, profit, adding, nationhood, prescribed, slum, nearer, relaxed, complication, tracks, owned, empires, fascinating, published, insisted, ministers, humility. Thank you.